We've made a receptacle circuit, we've made a lighting circuit, and guess what? It's time for a switching circuit. I'm going to go to Ceiling Plan Level 1. I'm going to zoom in on my Office 101. I'm going to select the lighting fixture. I'm going to click on the only system that's left to create, and that's Switch. So I'm going to click Switch. I'm going to select Switch by clicking this button. I'm just going to come down here and pick this little fella. Now I'm going to edit the switch system. Notice that it's got my switch ID on there. I'm going to add the system. I'm going to grab that light. I'm going to finish editing system. I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to do the same over here. I'm going to select this light. I'm going to click switch. I'm going to select switch. I'm going to grab this switch here. I'm going to edit the switch system. I'm going to click add to system. I'm going to grab that light there. I'm going to click finish editing system. Not too difficult. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to this office. Now, the problem is if we have a switch that has two circuits going to it, guess what? You got to copy the switch over. So I'm going to select this switch. I'm going to click copy. I'm going to click a base point, and I'm going to pick a point right about here. Unfortunately, that's what we have to do. So I'm going to select this light here. I'm going to click on switch. I'm going to select my first switch. I'm going to edit the switch system. I'm going to select this second light. I'm going to click finish editing system. I'm going to grab this light here. I'm going to click switch. I'm going to select the second switch. I'm going to edit switch system. Then I'm going to add this light to it. I'm going to click on finish editing system. Now, if we select one of these lights, notice that we can modify the lighting fixture itself. We can modify the switch system, and we can modify the electrical circuit. There's a lot going on. I'm going to hit escape a couple times. I'm going to come over to this room here. I'm going to add these all to the same switch. Select one of my lights. I'm going to click switch, select switch, edit switch system. I'm going to add to system. I'm going to add the gray lights. I'm going to click finish editing system. Now what we can do to figure out what's on each switch, if I come down to this switch here, hit my tab key, I can select that. Now when I zoom out, I can see what's on that system. So that's kind of nice as we go through the model. Like if I come into here where we have a couple, if I hover over that switch, hit my tab key and just pick it, we'll see that now, okay, I can see what items are on that switch system. It's kind of cool. So that's how you add switch systems.